Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily change the contrast on your ELGATO Facecam MK.2. So, as you guys can see, we are in the Camera Hub app, which is made for ELGATO cameras, and you can download it through ELGATO site. So now what you guys need to do is go over to the camera settings here. Make sure that the input is ELGATO Facecam MK.2, and now go over to picture settings right here, and here we have the contrast. Here, as you guys can see, we can change it. Now it's on 0 and now it's at 100. So there is a big noticeable difference, and this is how you can easily change the contrast. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and thank you. Bye.